Hello students, today we start division. If you know the tables, then you can easily solve this division. Here division, this is the sign of division. This is the sign of division. Here first one is division is a repeated subtraction of the same number. Division is the repeated subtraction of the same number. Here is a division is a repeated. Here this 2 number is repeated here. Look here. Here 10 minus 2 8, 8 minus 2 equal to 6, 6 minus 2 equal to 4, 4 minus 2 equal to 2, and 2 minus 2 equal to 2. Here which number is repeated here? Repeated here 2. This same number here, this number is repeated here. It is a repeated subtraction of same number. Here is 2 2 2 2 2. How many times we have repeated this number? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times we have repeated this number. So here 2 is subtracted 5 times. How many times we have subtracted 2? 5 times. It means it is 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Here this is the subtraction of same, repeated subtraction of same number. And here division is also an equal sharing. Division is also an equal sharing. Here look here, relationship between multiplication and division. In this we will learn division is an equal sharing. Here we have 4 groups of 2 apples in each. Here how many groups are here? 1 2 3 4. 4 groups are here. In each group 2 apples are here. 2 apples, 1 2. In this A, suppose this is A group, A, B, C and D. Here in A group how many apples are here? 2. Then B, in B also 2, in C 2, and in D also 2. It means 4 groups of 2 apples in each group. Here 4 groups are here and 2 apples in each group. We will have 8 apples in total. If we add all these apples, then we will have 8 apples. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here it can be represented as 4 into 2. It means 4 2 ja 8. Here 4 groups are here, 4 groups are here, 4 groups and 2 apples in each. It means total apples are 8. It means total apples are 8. It means 4 2 ja 8. Or we can also represent it as there are 4 groups of apples in each. It can be represented as total number of apples are 8. Total number of apples are 8 and in each group 2 apples are here. In each group 2 apples are there. Then how many groups are here? Then here we divide 8 divided by 2. It means in table of 2 at which time 8 will come? 8 1 ja 8. Sorry, 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. It means at 4 time 8 will come. So here 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Then we have 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Now we have 4 into 2, 4. 4 into 2 equal to 8. Then here 8 divided by 2, 4, and 8 divided by 4, 2. In same way, here in this exercise 7.1, if 4 3 ja 12, then 12 divided by 3 in table of 3, at which time 12 will come? 4 times. Then here 12 divided by 4, it means at the table of 4, at which time 12 will come? 3 times. Then here in same way here 6 3 ja 18. Okay, then 18 divided by 3, 18 divided by 6 in the table of 6. Here if we repeated the subtraction, then 3 times it will come. And then 18 divided by 3, it means in the table of 3, 18 will come in 6 times. In same way you have to solve page number 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. All these pages is your homework. Your homework is from 90 to page number 96. Now come to page number 93. Here, look here, this question, page number 90, this page number is 93. Here this one, multiplication and division by 5. Here a letter, 1 5 ja 5. Then here 5 divided by 5, it means in the table of 5, at which time 5 will come? In 1 time. Then here 5 divided by 5, it means 1. Then in same way 2 5 ja 10. Here 10 divided by 5, it means in the table of 5, in which time 10 will come? 2, in 2 time. Then here 10 divided by 5, 2. In this same way you have to solve this in your book, and your homework is page number 90 to 96. It means 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. All these you have to complete in your book. Thank you.